Nokia is seen as a niche stock by many traders, but it has performed impressively in 2021. Can it end the year strong as well? My name is Connor and I'm the Senior Market Analyst at the global brokerage firm Zenfinex. On this channel we provide to you videos on various different markets covering a fundamental and technical analysis. And for today's video I'm going to cover a Nokia forecast for the remainder of this year. And at the time of recording this video the stock price is sitting at around that 5.2 level. Okay, so Nokia, who are they? Nokia is a Finnish communications and information technology company. They employ over 90,000 people and they were founded in 1865. And I'm sure you all remember actually having a Nokia mobile phone back in the day, or at least knowing someone who did, and that's because they used to be global leaders in that mobile phone market. However, they were slow to adapt and to innovate, and from around, I'd say 2012, the likes of Samsung and mainly Apple with their iPhones took over and the business actually started to lose money. They then sold their phone business to Microsoft, and they do operate at a loss still now, at a debt, but they use their debt quite wisely. But their revenues are driven by being a major patent licensor for major or most mobile phone vendors. Now it's thought that the stock price of Nokia could continue to do well in the short term. Very recently they announced that they are ready to supply its front haul multi-vendor solution to NTT Docomo's 5G network following a successful testing. And the reason this is beneficial to Nokia and to Docomo is that it's going to allow the Japanese operator to further select independent combinations of hardware and software to optimize its network in the future. So it's a nice product by Nokia. The stock price has surged over 4% since the news and is something that is likely to keep the stock price higher throughout December. And what are other analysts saying? I mean, it's important to get a feel of consensus, especially in these stock forecasts. And the 25 analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Nokia have a median target, so an average target of 7. Now, this is with a high of 8 and a low of 5.91. We're trading at 5.2 at the moment, and this is all according to CNN. And this would represent a gain of 18.5% from where we are now, and the price is actually sitting below the low. So there clearly is some more room for Nokia to explode to the upside. But let's take a look at the chart to see where we can get that entry level. Okay, so on the chart for Nokia at the moment, and as you can see, we did have this temporary, I'd say temporary, it was a bit more of a retracement from the highs we had at 5.3. Since then we have gone and tried testing a couple of times the highs that we have here at 5.3, which I'll circle once, circle twice, and we're actually in quite an interesting zone as we speak at the moment. For me, it's looking like the market does want to break out. You can see that the retracements did get low, and we started creating this series of higher lows that you can see here, which for any kind of trendline traders can see this nice clear pattern that we're seeing from that temporary retracement we had. Hi guys, thank you for listening to this video. Just really quickly wanted to touch on a really exciting offer we have on the website. It's a limited time offer, and if you head over to zenfinex.co.uk you will see the offer in front of you straight away, and this is that you can trade Forex on a standard account with raw spread plus 0 commission. And now Zenfinex is also an FCA and no dealing desk execution broker. If you are interested in this offer, you can get in touch with the team by clicking learn more, or you can simply go to open an account where you can start the application process around the beginning of middle of the year. So to me, if I zoom in on the chart now, with the RSI indicator looking like there's still room for some more upside, and is there potentially some potentially some RSI divergence in here as well. But this daily candle that we had yesterday, when we had this general stock rally from the fears of the Omicron variant fading, really strong close on this candle, and I'd like to see the market really head towards the top of this trend line and create a new higher high. And I'm aiming for around 5.4, and I'm hoping that the year can end something around 5.6 would be my take profit level for any buying opportunities that I get at the year end. Now if I go down onto the 1 hour chart, it's probably going to be easier to find a risk reward trade on a lower time frame. Just check the 4 hour quickly, see if we did break that structure nearly. Maybe I see it clearer on the 1 hour. So as you can see on the 1 hour chart, of course, there's some gaps in the market because that's what the stock prices look like. But you can see that we actually had a clean break of these structure highs. So I was wary that it was going to have maybe a close, where we had that close just below. Maybe the market was going to take the liquidity and move lower. But you can see we've had a nice solid close, which to me shows a good statement of intent. Now, my buying opportunity is going to be at the bearish order block, the bullish order block, apologies, with a stop loss just sitting below the lows here. And that's sitting at around that 5.1 level is where first of all, where I'm going to be looking to buy the market from. The moving average is starting to tick to the upside as well. I think there's some more upside momentum in this pair to come. Oh, there we go. Take profit first of all, we're looking at around that 5.4 level. That would give us a 5.4 risk reward trade. If we want to go and target the levels up at 5.6, which is our 2021 take profit level, end of 2021. Then we're looking at something around an 8 risk reward trade, which is actually definitely worth the risk, which is why you could even, if you want to be a bit more cautious, just move your stop loss below the lows, and then we can get a slightly less risk reward, maybe around 7.6, but we get a bit more cover just in case. As you can see, the RSI indicator is in overbought territory here, so I'm expecting some sort of retracement. If we can get a retracement down into this zone, that's perfect for me. And then we can look to move higher. If the move kind of goes without us, then we can go onto a lower time frame and we can adjust accordingly from there. But whatever your trading strategy is, because I know people have different trading strategies to mine, if you are in any buying opportunities, for me, the take profit levels 5.4 and 5.6 is where I'm looking for the year end to close, and I can't see the year closing on anything lower than 4.8. So that's my end of 2021 forecast for Nokia. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you've subscribed to our channel, and also drop any comments in the comment section where you believe Nokia is going to be heading for the next month or so. I'll do an update on this video as well, because there is actually, from the fundamentals that I said, the actual price target for the next 12 months is something at around 7. So as you can see, some more upside to come in this stock. Yeah, I hope everyone has a great trading day. I'll catch you all for the next forecast video, which is going to be tomorrow. And take care, everyone.